Hi everybody, welcome to the video surprise of the day. Today's video surprise on a NEBO Big Larry. So what is it? 600 luma work light, 220 luma flashlight, metallic base, direct to red, and the batteries are included as well too. Okay, the NEBO Big Larry flashlight. The one we're looking at is not the rechargeable battery. There's one that's rechargeable as well too. Please remember to hit the subscribe button, the bell icon, you notify new videos, and I really appreciate that thumbs up. That helps the channel a lot. Okay, so let's get started. Calling for the doers and dabbers, thinkers and tinkers. So basically it's meant for DIY people. So the Big Larry flashlight high, you get 220 lumas. Flashlight low, you get 16 lumas. Of course, you got more runtime if you have it low. You also have a work light high and a work light low. You can see the numbers are here. Red light high, red light low. Right. You also see a strobe light as well too. CLB contains more LED chips to provide a strong uniform beam for a greater overall light experience. It has a magnetic base, dimmable, pocket clip, power memory recall, and also has 3 AA batteries included as well too. So great deal, and it's about $16 or so. And here's some more information. Item number is NEB-FLT-1041. So those people that are interested in this flashlight. So how does it work? Well, there's the N. That's the button you're gonna press. So I'm gonna demonstrate that. But initially it does not work. You can't take it out of the box. There's a reason for that. Well, that's the flashlight part, and there's the clip. So you see on the bottom here, before use, you have to open it up and remove something out of it. So that's one of the things that they have. So I have the battery, so you don't want to drain the battery. So once you remove that, you get a little paper that falls out, then you can screw it back together, then you can use it. And the rubber handle is really nice and handy. So that's what you pay for initially, right? Taking it out the box is a different story, all right? So you just press it, and it's a flashlight. So it looks pretty bright overall. It's LED, by the way. And this one's really bright over here. And that's red. It's really red. All right. Press it, and it's a strobe light. So you can see that over here. Very handy. Very handy tool. You can have in your car for safety, or just use it as a flashlight or work light. Very portable as well too. So you can see the different functions. You just need to press the N, right? And the strobe light is really bright. It might be a good item to have for your vehicle. It's not that big overall. Very nice in the hands, and it doubles for many other things. So, and you can see that I'm just holding one hand. On the bottom, you can see the magnet part, and on the top, you can see the LED, that part of the flashlight. There's a nice clip as well too. Okay, so here's a close-up with the clip. You know, the clip you actually could hang on a nail or something too as well. And the close-up at the bottom part, you can see that over here, the magnet is really nice. And there's some questions how the battery gets stuck or anything like that. There's nothing, no batteries to get stuck in this one, so it's really well, it comes out. You can see the magnet is very strong as well too. So that's the flashlight. Hopefully you like the video surprise today. I really appreciate the thumbs up, comment to share, please do it below. And I see you next time. Have a good one. Bye.